No, whatever works for you. If monthly works, how much can you do every month? Before you leave, stop downstairs and set up a payment plan. You'll walk out with a payment schedule. Oh, excuse me, $1,014. Are you working? Are you in a position to make any kind of monthly payment or weekly payment or something like that? We're hooking you up with an adjournment, but come on up. We've got some files you owe money on. We've got an impeding traffic from Van Buren Township, 2021. Looks like a prohibited parking from that same date. And then a 2022 Romulus failed to stop, assured clear distance ahead civil infraction. So those all have money due. Are you working? Are you in a position to make any kind of monthly payment or weekly payment or something like that?
I can't guarantee anything. I'm going through it.
No, whatever works for you. If monthly works, how much can you do every month?
29.
Can you do $40 at least? All right. So I'm going to send you downstairs before you, not now, when you get your notice, before you leave, stop downstairs and set up a payment plan. You'll walk out with a payment schedule. So
Is that for
it's for those 3 tickets. It's an impeding traffic, a prohibited parking, and a failed to stop, assured clear distance ahead. The 3 of them total $1,900. No, excuse me, $1,014. So on the way, when you go downstairs, the other option you can talk about with Mr. Taylor is if the $40 is going to really strap you, then talk to Mr. Taylor and see if you can do either some combination of working it off and paying some payments or just totally working it off. So we've got a couple different options. We've got charity work where you just hook up with some nonprofit and we'll give you X number of dollars per hour of charity work you do, credit. Then we've got another deal we currently do with the city of Romulus where you actually show up for a work day and we'll give you $200. I think it's $200. Don't quote me on that. I think it's $200 off. So talk to Mr. Taylor. He's downstairs too. All right. As soon as we get you this notice, you can go do that. Good luck. One of those birthday charges.
Aww.
One of those kids photo. It's a cute picture of it.
Yes, tonight is
It
so.
looks so, she looks, you know what? The older she gets, the more she looks like my mom.
She's grown out of the Vanessa stage.
Yeah. Isn't that crazy? Because she did when she was, with the rounder face and everything. She looked so much like that. Oh, slow out there. Miss Medina, give me a name.
Your Honor, this is an adjournment. It's for Mr. Leonard.
Leonard. Mr. Leonard, have a seat. We'll get you a piece of paper with a new date on it.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You want to stand in for one real quick for Mr. Hadley?
Yes.
This nice lady up here that keeps trying to get closer and closer to the podium is going to plead to allowing a suspended driver to operate. Booker.
Booker. Kristen Ravens, Your Honor, on behalf of Ms. Booker. Ms. Booker, would you please state your name for the record, ma'am?
Miss Booker, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Hadley? Did you understand all that good information? And do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to operate? Understanding all of that, are you in fact pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle on September 6th in Belleville? And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? Counsel, are you satisfied?
Satisfied, Your
All
Honor.
right. What should I know about the lady?
Your Honor, I know that she's very anxious to resolve today. She has accepted the responsibility, Your Honor. She understands she should not be driving without a license, correct? See, Your Honor?
Are you working? All right. When's the last time you had a job?
I was told that
Okay. Where were you working then? Okay. Why you're not there anymore? Wow, that was really poorly worded. Why are you not there anymore? Okay. You doing all right now? Okay. So have you always worked in the healthcare field? Okay. So what are you looking for now?
Right now, I was working inside.
Oh, good. Okay. All right. Is there anything else you want me to consider before I set the terms of your sentence? And it looks like you're already on a payment plan here. Doing monthly payments? All right. Okay, I will sentence you to $350 fines and costs and go downstairs, just add it into that payment plan. Any questions?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thanks for standing in.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry, I didn't know anything about, part of the responses.
Good morning, Mr. Duncan.
Hey, how are you?
Wonderful. How have you been?
Excellent.
Haven't seen you for a while.
I'm getting around, and I guess I'm just checking here. It keeps it going straight.
It does, doesn't it?
What are you from, Leslie? Ashton.
I got it. Yeah. Your appearance for Miss Ashton.
Yes, sir. I'm Roy Duncan on behalf of the defendant, Paula Ashton.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, your.
Right, I'm asking for an adjournment for two reasons. I'm gonna look into sobriety court.
Good,
I'm gonna take her down there now and see
good.
what you need to do. And the second reason is, there's a fire in Belleville from April of 2024 that has not come up. And I want to get a handle on that.
Sure, sure. You know what? Let me get her arraigned. No, it looks like she has been
I
arraigned.
think
She has been. Okay. All right. So, Heather will give you a date.
Okay.
Get a notice to Miss Ashton, and then you're out of here.
And then I'm gonna go down and who
You want to talk to Shannon? Yep. Yep.
can you do, Jane?
Yep, that'd be Judge Martin.
Miss Boyd. Come on up. Miss Boyd, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? And did you understand your rights? You read those? Come on up. You understand the possible penalty for this charge?
No.
Up to 90 days in jail. That means 0 to 90 days in jail. Up to $500 fines plus court costs. You understand that? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Really?
So what do we got here? All right, so I've got a ticket here that says that you had a child or more than one, probably one,
This
that was having attendance issues in Belleville. So first of all, who was that?
is my middle child. She's 10. She was having issues.
What's your name?
Her name's Samantha.
Samantha. Tell me what the problem was.
She was having issues. I found out after, before I got the paperwork, that she was having issues in school. She was in bullied on birth. So when I found that out, I called the school. I spoke with the principal spoke with her. And she had all that settled. So now everything.
Things smoothed out? So how much school did Samantha miss?
On the paper it said,
All right, do you have any reason to think that's wrong?
I think it's not 28 days, but I think,
What do you think it was? I mean, it wasn't 2 or 3.
no, it was more than 2 or 3.
Okay,
That, her first hour paid attendance, so I was taking her to school after.
right? Okay, so how many days do you think she missed?
I said maybe 18, 19 days.
Okay, all right.
Both of you.
All right, I'll accept your plea. All right, so the way this works is I'm going to put you on a delayed sentence, no more problems with Samantha, and you don't go out and commit a bunch of crimes. Then at the end of this time frame, this gets dismissed, doesn't stay on your record as a conviction. You understand how that works? All right, so my standard lecture is this. If there are continuing problems, come see us because we've got a good juvenile probation director who's got all kinds of resources at her fingertips. So she can quite often help parents with whatever they're dealing with. Understood? Questions? Have a lovely day. You're welcome. Jeremiah Jackson. No? Jackson? How about Jennifer Davidson? Good morning, counsel.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm fantastic. See you. Almost rounded themselves last night.
What's that?
Rounded themselves.
Good.
People in as you were pulling out.
Oh, I didn't see it. I saw like 5 people I knew before I could get out of there last night. Why don't you tell me what we're going to do for Miss Davidson?
Yes, for the record, Todd Barry, appearing on behalf of Ms. Davidson, Your Honor. We pre-tried the matter with the prosecutor today, asking for it to enter a not guilty plea for purposes of arraignment. We've negotiated an outcome and an amendment of the charge of driving while headed to a long license driving by the other misdemeanor being dismissed.
2 misdemeanors, right? Both charges? I've got the possession of paraphernalia and the DWLS. Yep, okay. All right, Ms. Davidson, did you go over your rights with counsel?
Trial rights.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, you understand those rights and the options they give you? Understanding all that, do you also understand the possible penalty for the added charge?
Correct.
And understanding this, are you pleading guilty to that added charge freely and voluntarily? Counsel, would you like to voir dire? Give me the facts I need. I'm showing an incident date of October 14th, if that helps you.
Yes, thank you. October 14th, Ms. Davidson, were you, refused to allow someone to operate a motor vehicle in the city of Rochester that did not have a license?
Yes, sir, I did.
That just happened to be you?
Yes, it was.
And you were aware that, at that time, your license was suspended?
I apologize.
Satisfied? So am I. What should I know about the lady?
Your Honor, she had no other, cases or anything pending. Actually, ironically, I was retained by Ms. Davidson to, get her license squared away and straightened out.
Where's that at now?
It's in the process of waiting for dates with Secretary of State.
Okay, good luck.
She missed a reexamination date, and so nothing reaches
Right,
simply an administrative issue.
okay. All right. And ma'am, are you working?
Yes, sir, I did.
And where do you work?
I worked at Roberto's Bakery.
Okay. How long have you been there? How long have you been there?
You're here.
Okay. Is there anything else that you would like me to know before I sentence you today? Okay. All right. I don't know if I said this before, but I dismissed both the original misdemeanors. And on the allow, I'm assessing fines and costs totaling $500. That money is due within 5 days. What that means is we got to have it within 5, or we got to have a plan within 5 to get it.
Oh. Okay, yes, sir. How long, sir?
5 days. I either have to have it in hand or a plan to get it. So if you want to make a payment plan, you can go downstairs and set that up.
Okay, sure.
All right. Any questions? Have a lovely day.
Thank you.
Mr. Hall, come on up. So today's a date and time set for a probation violation hearing. The alleged violation being your positive use of alcohol while ordered not to do so. If you're contesting that, I will set this for a hearing. We'll have a contested hearing. You understand that? Okay. Are you pleading guilty or not guilty to the allegations? All right. Are you working?
Yes.
Where do you work?
Still working at Mr. Low and same job where we can talk with him.
Okay.
Talk with him, let us.
He should be off right now, or damn near, right?
Yes. Yeah, he was sentenced to 9 months back then.
I'll tell you what I'll do. I am not going to sanction for the positive test results. I'm going to extend your probation for 3 more months. As long as you get through that 3 months, there's no more problems, and you successfully complete the program that you're in now, we'll close you out successfully. Understood? All right. And you're making regular payments? Oh, great. Okay. All right. Clear?
Yeah.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Counsel, who you got? Come on up. Oh, this is just an adjournment?
Yes.
Heather will take care of you guys.
Judge, who's Raymond?
What's that charge, Heather?
You just give you a so.
Yeah, I'm not worried about it. if it's a substance abuse issue or an assault charge, I'm worried about getting some bond conditions on. This one, we're okay.
Hey, you guys just have a seat on this issue.
Do you, when you want, this month or next month, or December or January?
Whatever is better for the court.
Excuse me. All three of these are adjournments.
Okay.
Is it so good for his phone? Because I didn't really over.
Good morning, Mr. Mays.
Morning, Judge.
How are you?
Good.
Heather will get you notice and get you out of here.
Okay.
You have a preferred, date?
January? I'm looking, if it's Thursdays,
Um,
I literally had a judge take December 26th north. I'm like, really, Judge? Day after Christmas, really? It's like, well, I'm
That's
open.
surprising.
Well, and I'm free, so.
That is surprising.
This, Mr. Thompson is one here.
Go to January.
Okay, Basquin is from yesterday,
Yeah.
the guy that wanted his shoes and Van Buren had all his.
Yeah.
This is to return his personal property.
Thank you.
If you want January 6th. Here's my, let's get through the ball.
They're all anonymous.
We can either January 2nd or January 6th.
If we give Janelle Berry, you okay to do Zoom?
He is, but he's closer to 10. I told him to log back in. I mean, he can sit down there if he wants to. Maryland's gonna jump down around 9:30.
Thanks. I don't have any other files that show they're ready, so you folks waiting for your attorneys, or what are we doing?
I just need you.
Did you get ready?
I did. I have it highlighted and just published. Yes, I did.
One of those mornings?
Potentially. We're hoping not.
Were you in here for the guy's story? His positive screen?
Yeah, just now. I try to give him a little, courtroom etiquette.
Bill, probation violation, tested positive. His story was his wife was drinking a green tea and he had some, but didn't realize it was spiked.
Well,
Sure.
I mean,
That's plausible.
Like I said, I tried to give him a little courtroom etiquette. No legal advice. I just said, sir.
I tried to, like, really? Don't stop. Don't blow that smoke up my ass. Don't.
I says the response is much better when you're on.
well, I'm not sure if I agree with that.
Well, with that particular.
Well, it depends
I
on,
think there are better defenses.
and it depends on what you're,
But for,
what the question is on the table.
but for that particular scenario and the judge, that for that instance, you're.
Or at least have a better bullshit story. I remember I had a guy years ago, and I can't remember where he worked, but he worked like in the paint room or something like that.
That's 100%.
Man, he kept testing, he kept testing, he kept testing. I mean, I was just a fan of it.
And this was all on this rating shoes. On an ankle. And hold up this guy that she's friends with. They're runs. He's like, where are you in the house? She says, the laundry room. He's like, get out of there. Get out of there.
Have a great day.
Why? What's in
She got out of the laundry.
Have a good day, council.
Something in one of the detergents or something like that.
Hold on, let me get.
Out of there, went down the sewer.
December 5th, correct?
Yeah.
That's why.
Yeah.
Because this one,
He ended up testifying for us.
Right.
well, this guy, there were a lot of alcohol-based solvents and stuff like that. And I'm like,
Toluene is
I don't know, I guess if it's that, if it's that heavy in the air. I mean, at least that raises the question.
good ones.
Yeah, but an adult
Right.
that A, drank enough
Right.
that it showed up, and B, didn't taste it as he was drinking it.
Right.
We'll take any daylight we can at this time of year.
Yeah, we're not gonna get much sunlight today. We'll get some daylight.
Will you? Thank you so much. Very much. Good to see you.
I didn't even recognize it from yesterday.
I didn't. Because he lived in, I think he lives in.
He was on Zoom, right? And when his head was this big yesterday.
Right.
The other one.
She's, the dean has stepped in.
Oh, beautiful.
So that's.
Oh, great. That's what we call.
We're gonna take yours right now. I think we can.
So we call.
Yeah, I'm ready. Give me a name.
Sir.
Give me a name.
Dietz.
Dietz?
Yeah, here's the.
Your Honor, thank you for getting that, call.
Hanging here, whatever.
No problem. Your appearance on behalf of Ms. Dietz.
Thank you, Your Honor. Attorney Josh Hadley, bring on behalf of Ms. Brandy Francis, take my right, stick next to right. So, Your Honor, it's a little bit of procedural background on this one. There was a plea that was, I would just say, involuntary based on lack of information at the time.
Okay.
We're going to be pursuing some potential affirmative defenses. I would just like a brief adjournment for discovery.
Let me ask you this. Do you want to formally withdraw the plea or you just want to wait until you get some information?
They withdrew.
It's been withdrawn, and the reason
Was? It's not noted. It's not noted. Okay.
Deep down.
Okay.
The.
Okay. All right. You had me at hello. We'll give you
biggest thing was the triggering.
how far out you want to go for the discovery.
Do you think this will be the first request for discovery, not getting it from successor counsel? Let's put it out to, my apologies, Your Honor. Can we do the January 16th date?
Yes, we can. You know what, though? Let's do this. If we're going to go out that far, let's do an arraignment so I can set a bond and then we'll give her a date. Because I don't know where the bond is. So I'm going to put you on a personal bond. The first condition will be you stay out of trouble. Second condition will be you show up for whatever this court date is. Third condition will be you don't drink any alcohol, smoke any dope, no mood altering substances unless you get a doctor's script. You got all those?
Yes, I do have a doctor's script for medication. But no, I don't do any of those.
So we'll say,
I said, unless you've got a doctor's script. So you understand all the rules. You can live with those? Raise your right hand. You swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you blow it. All right.
Your Honor, I would actually
Would you like-
second date, not quite as far out, but I think it'll give us enough time.
Jan 2, 8:40,
Good.
and that's going to be with Judge Martin.
So that's a Romulus case, correct?
It is.
Ma'am, that works, 8:40? Okay, give us a minute. Heather's going to get you a paper notice so you can walk out of here with it.
And thank you. I just saw this was stuffed in my paper, so I got the dates.
Thank you.
Yep, correct.
Just got confirmed and.
Furman?
It's FUR.
Oh, you are, all right, 1 minute.
Thank you, sir.
They here?
And it's for a show cause, but we don't know the time. And he's
But he's here.
Yep. Belleville.
Who you got?
I have an adjournment, Your Honor, on Miss, Davy. And it needs to be released.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess we can figure out when he gets done with us. And, yeah, thank you.
Well, they're going to get him anyway, so why would that be a courthouse, Jim?
You'll need to be reasoning, you cannot be me or Josh Trenton. You'll meet or kitchen, this has to be one of the other, it's one of the other. Thank you.
Can you tell me what kind of?
Okay, they'll be giving you that paperwork, and this should stay, okay?
Yes.
I've got a fleet that I'll take care of there. Thanks.
Yeah. He was at 8 a.m.
Thank you.
No need, no need. Crystal just came up and told Heather it needs to be reassigned without those two attorneys. So there's going to be a date to come back. They're the only attorneys we've got today.
So that we can call the employer before we come.
We don't know who it's gonna be.
You don't?
You'll meet them the day of.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Yes, like Washington County, they just automatically give you your loan.
This ain't washed now.
I know, that's what I'm saying, like all courts are different. That's what
Good morning, Mr. Greco.
I love this building.
Good morning. How are you? What's the name on that file?
Stokes.
Stokes.
Keenan with a K, not the, you got other Stokes. So
Oh, we do have Stokes. We have double Stokeses.
So Keenan is the one you've got there? Stokes.
So, Urban sign up to see an attorney, so in due time.
Thanks.
Yeah, my experience. Yeah, well, I forgot about something.
One that can give this attorney. What was the charge?
Stokes.
You can. Mm.
Follow.
What's Shannon's extension, you know?
Or who, she's out of town. She's going to one day.
Well, I should.
Yeah. And that's normal here?
Yes. No. Insurance. You have a formal plan for Brian,
Yeah.
What's the name, Jim?
Riley?
Yeah.
Briarly. What is that, a formal?
I got it right here.
Oh.
Says formal, huh? 10:45.
Oh, 10:45, not 9.
Oh, 10,
Yeah.
10:45.
We do that at the end of the day.
That's 10:45.
Yep.
Yeah, what you?
They put it on like the court board at our station and it says on there.
Yeah, it's 10:45, you said?
Here, we have this,
Okay, well, that's.
Better go get you some fun. Give you the lunch, your birthday.
yeah.
Thank you. Police officer. Potentially, yeah. Okay, who's what? Where's Bailey?
That's being.
Next date will be December 19th, 8:30 again.
I like this new building.
Thank you.
And for the old building, it's very good.
Have a good
I know you like it better, I'm sure.
We do. So, February 23rd.
Yeah, you're gonna give me your dates for Argentina.
Yeah, I'm leaving the 25th. That's the first day of that conference. She has no.
Oh, they said you weren't until the 28th.
No, that's when my health starts.
Oh.
I think that's what I said. But that's when my health starts.
Stokes and.
Go ahead and take a seat, sir. I'm leaving this here, Your Honor, maybe? Or,
Yeah, let me have it.
Take care, sir.
So,
Thank you. Good work. They used to be it's improvising, right? We do. Where are we going with this? Straight up? Me? What's the last name? Stone?
Yep, I can get a couple more lined up. You guys want to do that?
I guess now we left. Go ahead. Take care of it.
Roll.
yeah, about 9:40, I'm gonna say somebody needs to jump on Zoom, might be Crystal, because I think,
Yeah, I can log into my computer. I think, I don't know.
also, she's. Yeah, she's got two that are Zoom people, which is fine, she was, because they're on stage.
No, I just know we talked about like 10 minutes.
Okay,
I said, I'll do that. Like,
so about 9:40,
just have her in there.
yeah, or you, whoever wants it.
Well,
I mean, you guys look together. You play nice, so.
I just put Stone.
Who?
Stone.
Thank you.
there was a code D on Stone. What was your, cousin? Holly?
Your attorney here, Mr. Ray? Is it Mr. Mays? Hold on. What is it? Your attorney's out.
You can make it.
Where, he's with your other person now?
Let me know when I talk.
No, you, I was just saying.
No, I didn't, well, I just walk up and start talking all the time. I'm like, she doing things. Okay, so my client, we're getting ready to do a plea on. She's Bernice Stone, but she had a co-defendant, which was, I just had
It's fine.
Kylie Daly.
Yeah, Kylie Daly, who's just on her,
Okay, so Kylie Daly,
can't go to you or Medina.
correct. That was just one, I didn't know if she told you. or not.
Yeah, it's also documented.
Sweet, then the Bernice's case, we're closing it right now, or all this.
Yeah.
That way, when your cousin comes next time, we can do the same thing with send her. So she should go. There you go.
Yes.
Hey,
Nicholas Lopez. It'll be Zoom next month. Okay.
Oh, no, my good.
Yeah, have a good day.
The Zoom I see is.
It's highlighted.
Oh, it's next one, right here. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Nothing.
Okay, so. You can jump on. I've been turning all of my people away, but it's getting close now and I got a guy in there. Thanks. Yeah, I think you can have the.
Oh, we get it.
Why is Bill still here?
He said he's willing to give it.
Oh,
And I have Marianne in, to do this in the
okay.
Well, are we seeing it, right? Yeah. Well,
judge.
Monteith is an adjournment. I think Richard has another matter in another jurisdiction, so we can, other process. Yeah, that would take a turn. Person he's with? Yeah, okay, one of them.
Montez?
Is that mine? That's
Some of this stuff. Okay.
Monteith.
Let's find out. Lisa, how do you say your last name? Montez. Yeah,
See on the end?
come on. How'd I say it? How did I say it?
You said it proper. I didn't see the Z.
There's no Z.
Must be,
It's pronounced Z.
I would say silent, but it really isn't silent.
What'd you pronounce it? Mani's?
Amen.
Yeah, Jay is silent. Yes. South Lazy.
Start the grammar class. This is great.
Did he have two plea agreements on?
Yeah, this is another, but he's.
Of stepbrothers?
Judge, sounds to me like he's in another venue with another case. So this one, yes. So we're waiting for it's retained.
It's.
Oh, wait a minute. Now we got Mays. We got a European. Go ahead. Oh, my God. I like this.
January 16th as well.
Yes, please. Is it with that?
That's, wasn't it January, or was it January 2nd?
No.
So who's the attorney on Cordova?
I think it's Cummings, is it?
Because he's not even on the file.
Geez Louise, I'm getting December 19th, January 16th.
They had notices. Did you check the, oh, I see what you're saying.
He's no appearance.
Yeah, no appearance. He's, he didn't have a receipt. Looks, sounds like he just paid. Yes. Yeah.
Mile, be fun.
Stop by. We'll be in Atlanta.
Yeah.
Family's going up for Thanksgiving.
Oh, and it says through the 8th, like you're back on the 9th here?
Yes. I'm coming home Saturday, the 8th,
Oh, I didn't even look at the dates. Okay.
11 o'clock in the morning.
I was just up in the Asabo, not last weekend, but like the week before this weekend. Caught 6 or 7
Oh, nice.
steelhead and Atlantics.
Nice. Were you fishing on a mile?
No, you gotta go all the way down to Ascota because they only migrate up to that first.
They only come up so far.
Yep,
Pretty nice weather, wasn't it?
really nice.
Yeah.
And I was in the RV and I was all alone.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you very much.
So, Bill, you smoking them? What are you doing?
I only kept one. And I'm regretting the one steelhead. It was really nice and I threw it back because I felt bad. Should
Do the fiberglass model.
What's that?
Do the fiberglass reproduction.
I know.
Because seriously, have you ever seen a fish when it's taxidermied?
I know.
It's the painting. It's the artists,
Yeah,
right? So why not just take some good measurements and some photographs and have
Yeah.
a piece of fiberglass?
yeah.
And I'm not a fisherman, but the last time I looked into it, it's about the same $10 an inch.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter if you take them a dead fish and say, put this on my wall, or say, here's the pictures and the,
Yeah.
measurements and give me a
Right.
fiberglass.
Right.
And then the fish is out doing his fish stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
You don't have to deal with the coolers.
But I meant that I was going to eat it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it gives you a reason to go back.
Probably there.
Yeah, fine.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Enjoy your day, Ms. Montez.
Yeah. Great, thank you.
Seriously, they say, I was gonna say Montez.
Right.
What's your name? Oh, you're the one we're waiting for the attorney.
And what's his name?
Cordova.
Did he hand you the plea? The piece of paper?
Is that, I have the
Are
ticket.
you on Cordova?
What's
No.
Oh, yes.
No,
No, wait, I'm on Cordova as well.
you're on, oh, who are you?
Well, my name is Richard Collins. I work for Attorney Riggs Davis.
Oh, okay.
I'm ready on Cordova. Got the plea agreement and everything.
Oh, George, oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, you need a minute to talk to him?
Oh, no, Your Honor.
Come on up, sir. Counsel, put your appearance on the record for Miguel Cordova.
Your Honor, good morning. For the record, Attorney Richard Collins, on behalf of Mr. Cordova, and in the record, do I have your permission to stand for Attorney Riggs? Yeah.
So I've got a piece of paper that says your client is going to plead guilty to the added charge of impaired driving, and all three of the original charges from September 5, 2024 would be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Sir, have you discussed your rights with your attorneys? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for this charge, impaired driving? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? You've decided this is best for you. Okay. Counsel, the incident date was September 5, 2024. If you would voir dire, City of Romulus.
Yes, Judge, do I need to wait, we have just the arraignment pre-trial,
I'm not worried about the arraignment. Just get the facts for the plea. Yep, we're good.
on the date and time that His Honor just mentioned, were you driving an automobile?
Yes, I did.
Okay, what vehicle was that?
It was my father's baby.
Say that again?
My father's baby.
You were driving a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. And, now, where were you going that day?
I went to see a job and give it an estimate, and then when I came back, I'm stuck in the little bar and I need car lunch.
Okay, what did you drink?
Beers.
Okay, how many custom did you drink?
I don't know.
Best guess.
Well,
So you don't know the exact number, but you had beers. That's what happened. After you drank the beers, you kind of wheeled it?
yeah,
All right, when you drove
yes, too much.
and you were driving home?
Yes, I was driving home and I stopped by to put the address in my GPS. And when I turned I was in the parking lot. When I turned back, it was the police behind.
All right, and the police officer then, approached the vehicle?
Yes, when I put to reverse, he was behind and he just put the lights and the stuff.
And counsel, I do have a incident report with a data master if you'll stipulate.
I will stipulate, Judge, and I think that gets us there.
With the stipulation, I think it does. Sir, I'm going to accept your plea to the added charge. I'll dismiss the original charges that were issued to you. I'm going to put you on a personal bond. The first condition is the obvious one, you stay out of trouble, no new charges. Second condition is you cooperate with my probation department, come back for an interview, and then come back for a sentencing date. And the third condition is don't purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. So no alcohol, no marijuana, nothing unless you've got a prescription for it. Can you live by those rules? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you mess up on bond? Do you have any questions for myself or your attorney? All right, counsel, I'm going to send the file down. If you want to have some input on the actual sentencing date, we can pick that today.
Well, Judge, you can, if you want to sit down.
I don't do it. They do it downstairs, but you can pick that with probation. All right, so downstairs to probation. All right. Or actually, you got another file?
I do,
Oh, okay. All right. I was going to say, if you want, you can have Mr. Cordova go down and get started and up to you.
Here you go. It's just a dismissal, I'm guessing they're gone, if you made it, and we're thinking.
Yeah, that's one as a.
This,
14 days?
yeah.
Okay, 14 days, online or in.
Okay,
Thank you.
is that it?
Yep, you're all set.
Have a good day, counsel.
All right.
Thanks.
Man, I like Z files. Don't have to look for those at all.
I'm going to pronounce it Zanzami. Is that right?
Thank you, Judge. That's correct.
Counsel, your appearance.
This was an honorable court. Attorney Ben Bergling, P648, and we have Mr. Zanzani, which is my left, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning, gentlemen.
Morning, Judge.
Counsel, is it safe for me to assume that you folks are not going to object to a dismissal?
That's correct, with no objection.
All right. Dismissed. Enjoy your day.
It's all in your staff. It's been a while.
Have a nice day.
In this intense courtroom scene, Miguel Cordova stands before the judge with his lawyer and chooses to accept a plea agreement. As part of this deal, he admits guilt to a lesser charge of impaired driving, while 3 other charges tied to the same case are dropped. Before moving forward, the judge makes sure Cordova clearly understands his rights and the consequences he could face. When questioned, Cordova reveals he had been drinking and was behind the wheel of his father's car when police approached him in a parking lot. With the plea accepted, the judge sets a $1,000 personal bond and lays out firm conditions. He is ordered to stay out of trouble, work closely with probation, and avoid alcohol or any mind-altering substances unless prescribed. The case now moves to probation, where his final sentencing date will be decided. But it leaves one powerful question. Is it truly justice when multiple charges simply disappear?